How to launch NFT collection as a complete beginner. Guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can create your very own NFT collection and how to launch it as a complete beginner. So without wasting any more of your time, let's just jump into it. So first things first, if you're a complete beginner and you don't know anything about it, you need to come over to OpenSeas, because if you have some NFTs that you have created, then you need to upload them onto OpenSeas, because OpenSeas is one of the biggest platforms and it's one of the largest markets available for NFTs online. You can use other markets as well, such as Rarible or Mintable or even Sol.io, but I think that OpenSeas is pretty good as the number one platform for NFTs as for selling. I think that OpenSeas is one of the best platforms for selling NFTs as a complete beginner for the very first time. So you have your NFTs and you're deciding to create a collection. Well, you don't have to worry about that because it is very easy to do so. So to do that, all you gotta do is come over to the website, and over here what I want you guys to do is just simply create a wallet. Now you might be wondering, what is a wallet? Well, your wallet is an exchange wallet that is going to hold all of your financials in one place, and it is very secure. It's virtually, it's very secure, it's hidden and stuff like that. It's really good. It's gonna be their main key to, selling and buying NFTs. It's gonna keep that token within those wallet. So as you can see over here, there's a wallet icon in the right corner over here at the top. Just simply click on it, and once you do that, you're gonna have a couple of different options. So you have Wall Connect, you have Metamask, Coinbase Wallet, Formatic, Trust, and stuff like that. Now, as a complete beginner, I'm sure you must have heard about Coinbase and you would want to go to Coinbase Wallet, but I would suggest MetaMask because it is much easier. I've already installed MetaMask onto my control already installed MetaMask onto my Chrome browser. So for me it's going to be a little bit different, but the process is going to be exactly the same. Once you click on MetaMask, it's going to take you to their website. You're going to have to create an account and then install MetaMask into your browser. And then once you've done that, if you click on the MetaMask wallet, it's going to pop up something like this in the corner. And then all you have to do is click on next. You're authorizing the connection, and then you're going to connect your website and the wallet together. And once you've done that, you're basically logged in. So just like that, as you can see over here, it's very easy. Now what you can do is you can go ahead and create a collection. You can go ahead and create your NFT as well, but if you are, trying to create a collection, you have multiple concepts and you want to, sell them as a collection, then you can go ahead and do that. And to do that, all you got to do is come over to your profile picture, and underneath your profile picture, click on my collection. Just simply click on my collection, and over here, as you can see, I've added a couple of different collections before, but it's okay. We can go ahead and create a new collection. So you can click on create a new collection, and once you do that, it's going to look something like this. So over here is going to be your main collection area. So you have to upload a logo image, a featured image, a banner image. You have to input a name. It has to be, different. It doesn't have to be similar to any of the other collections that you've added. You can add in a URL of your website or your account, whether it is an Instagram or Twitter account, basically anywhere, basically where you post your stuff and people can go ahead and see all of your work and trust you more. So yeah, you can add that over there, then add in the description. You can add in a category. You can add in links to your website and your socials over here as well. And then you can add in royalties, and what royalties are basically a percentage of fee that are going to get whenever your NFT is resold. Basically what that means is that if you just sold your NFT and another person has just sold it again, then you are going to get like 2.5% of those royalty fees that transferred to your account. So it's pretty nice. And then you have the blockchain. Now this is one of the most important part of creating a collection. Basically you have two options in blockchain. You have either Polygon or you have Ethereum. Now depending upon which you choose, you're going to have pros and cons and different things. So for Ethereum, if you choose Ethereum, you're gonna get sold quicker, but you're gonna have to pay gas fee, and you can find out about the gas fee on this website called Etherscan, etherscan.io/gas tracker. Now, currently the gas tracker is pretty low, is average, I guess, but as you can see over here, you have to pay at least $70 on more on top of what you're selling or buying, and so that your transaction goes through. It's very weird sometimes, and sometimes it's okay because it's normal. This is like the base one, but as soon as it hits like 200, 300, then you get worried. Then you have to pay at least $200-300 above the gas tracker just to get prioritized and buy the NFT or mint the NFT. It's really difficult stuff. So always make sure to keep an eye on the gas tracker before buying NFTs or minting NFTs. It's very important. If you choose the Polygon option, you won't have to worry about that. It's a gas-free blockchain experience with Ethereum. Um, you don't have to worry about gas fees. You just have to, just choose the blockchain and then just simply wait for it to be sold. That's a little bit downside for choosing Polygon, because not a lot of people use Polygon, even though it's a pretty amazing cryptocurrency. People, I don't know why, prefer Ethereum, but even though it has gas fees and you have to pay hundreds of dollars on top of what you're already paying to acquire the NFT, but in Polygon you don't have to do that, but people still prefer Ethereum, which is weird to me. Down below you have the payment tokens that you can choose, and then you have display themes. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some of the images over here, and I'll catch you guys in a little bit. So over here, as you can see, I uploaded my logo image. All I gotta do is just click on it and choose the image that I want. And then I uploaded the featured image over here. Then I added the banner image as well. And then I named it the Blue Beanie Man number 32. This is basically my older collection. I'm just showing you guys how to, basically do it so that I don't have to write all of this again. And over here you can add your URL, as I said before. Just simply click on it and just add Beanie Man 32 or the name of your collection at the end, so that it becomes a URL. Then add a description. Now here I just wrote this small word, but you don't have to worry about that. You can write whatever you want. A basically, detail, make it as detailed as possible, but not being it too long. Okay, keep it short, keep it simple, keep it detailed, so that when people read about this collection, they'll know that, hey man, this is the real deal. They'll know the collection, they'll know what it's about, they'll know if there are any rare NFTs hidden within your collection, they'll know if whatever they want to know. Like, it's pretty simple. And then you can add categories if you want. Then you have links. Just simply come over here and add /ACBD, just click on Twitter and just add, enter in your Twitter handle and Instagram handle and, your Medium handle. It's pretty simple. Then add in the royalty fees. I added like 2.50%, and then add in your payout wallet address. Now you can find that wallet address in your Metamask account. So over here, just simply, click on Metamask and you will find your account over here. Just simply click on copy it and go ahead and paste it onto your payout wallet address, and there you go. And then choose the blockchain. I chose Polygon because, as I said, it's free, it's fast, it's simple, and people should use it more often. And then for the display theme, I choose contain because it's recommended for assets that are 1-to-1 ratio. I think it looks pretty good as well, so that's what I chose. And then just simply click on submitted changes, and then just simply click on create, and that is basically it. Like, it's pretty simple. And once you've done that, your collection is going to be created. Then what you can do is you can go over to your collection and then choose the collection that you've created, and then you can go ahead and click on add item, and then you can add your own NFT. This is the main part. So over here, just simply choose the image that you are trying to upload. Just simply click on it and upload it. Enter in the name, make it a little bit unique, make it fun, different. Add in the external link, the description, choose the collection that you want, add in the properties. Basically, if you have like a special edition version or a rare version of NFT that you are trying to sell, basically it has like, you must have remembered those older NFTs that were really popular, the crypto punks. They had like rare NFT types where they had like, accessories like a cigarette or an eye patch, or red hair, or changing background, like stuff like that. You can go ahead and add that over here. But if you don't, it's totally fine. You can leave it blank, and then you can, choose the supply and then the blockchain, and then just simply click on create. And that is basically it. You basically create your collection and, upload a NFT onto your collection. As a complete beginner, it is so simple. It cannot get any simpler than this. It is very easy. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment sections down below. I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. And having said that, please hit the like button if you enjoyed the video, and I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.